Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, today we're gonna show you how you can marinate up some chicken and bake it inside of your oven. First of all, we need to soak the chicken for roughly one nice good 5 to 6 hours. If not, you can do it from the day before. Chicken is my favorite recipe on my YouTube channel, which everyone know. Anyway, first thing which we're gonna do is put on some olive oil, vegetable oil, roughly about 3 tablespoons of chicken oil, 3 tablespoons. Second thing, we're gonna put on some seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon. And 2 teaspoons of paprika. Ginger and coriander season, I like to use that one, really good. Teaspoon. And also a pinch of everyday seasoning. Nice one. Basically, we already put that, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little bit of ketchup, just to bring up some flavor, and also we're gonna put a little bit of honey. Nice one. It's a honey baked. It's a oven baked chicken, but we can put in bits and pieces in it to bring up the flavor. Second thing, I'm gonna put some spring onion. That's the spring onion. White onion. Give it a lot of flavor. That's the white onion. Garlic is a must. Cup of clove of garlic to give it a flavor. Second thing, put on the gloves on your hand and marinate it like this, getting all of those flavor inside of the chicken. The beauty is you don't need to use any salt because these seasons already have a lot of salt in them. So as I can see, all the chicken looking lovely and nice. Look at that, beautiful. So we're gonna make this soak for a nice good couple hours, and after we make it soak, then we're gonna come back and bake it inside of our oven for a couple hours, for about half an hour good. So as you can see, guys, exactly what we are about with the chicken. Nice and lovely. What you can do is 2 things. You can put it into a smaller container, or you can leave it into that container and simple, just give it a nice lovely seal and leave it in the fridge. Seal it like this and leave it in your fridge. And that's it. Leave that for 6 hours. Make it soak, and then we'll come back. We're gonna bake it in the oven for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I'm gonna serve it. Enjoy the recipe. Nice one. So I'm just gonna remove the cling film from the chicken ball. I just take it from a fridge. Roughly about 5 to 6 hours now I've been having it marinated. Take it from a fridge, and that's the way it look. So what I'm gonna do, lay it out inside of this tray, and I'm gonna put it inside of the oven for 45 minutes and gas mark 7 or 8. Put it in the middle of the oven. Don't put it on top because you don't want your chicken to burn up. It's a nice and lovely, you can say roast chicken or baked chicken, whatever you want to call it, but it goes down really well. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel as I show you the next step. Alright? So first thing what we're gonna do is drumstick and also thigh. Lay them out inside of the tray. I'm using a piece of a grease-proof paper. So I just finished lay it out. So now we're gonna put it inside of the oven and bake them for 45 minutes, gas mark 7 or 8. It's good for it. If you're using a different kind of oven, 175 or 165 is good for 45 minutes. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely. I just take it from the oven, and that's the way it look. Looking so fantastic, guys. Lovely oven baked chicken recipe from Chef Ricardo. And hopefully guys you like it. Subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. See you next time. Bye bye.